Culinary herb container gardens, selling fully established container gardens ready for kitchen use. That's a fantastic comprehensive plan I've put together for you. Getting started, you're ready to snip herb garden business. Hey, this idea of selling fully established culinary herb gardens is brilliant. People are always looking for fresh herbs without the fuss of starting from scratch. It taps right into that desire for instant gratification and quality. Let's walk through your plan, focusing on what you need to do in each phase. Phase 1, figure out your vibe and market. Before you get your hands dirty, we need to nail down exactly what you're selling and who you're selling it to. 1.1, pin down your niche. First off, let's specialize. Which herbs will you focus on?
This
Theme
idea
gardens,
of selling
instead of just herbs, offer curated themes. Think the Italian kitchen collection, basil, oregano, thyme, or the cocktail crafter, mints, lemon verbena, stevia. This makes it feel like a specialty item, not just random plants. The big promise. Remember, your unique selling proposition, USP, is that they're ready to use. You're selling time and convenience. Emphasize, skip the waiting. Start snipping tonight. Looks matter. What's the aesthetic? Are you going for farmhouse chic with rustic galvanized pots, or sleek and modern with minimalist ceramic planters? The container is part of the furniture they're buying for their kitchen. 1.2. Who's buying? Your target market is crucial for marketing. Apartment dwellers and city folk. These are your main people. They have small balconies or windowsills and crave fresh green life. Busy folks. Professionals who love cooking but don't have the bandwidth for gardening. The gift givers. This is huge. Position these as perfect housewarming, birthday, or hostess gifts. Make them easy to wrap and present beautifully. 1.3. Scope out the competition. Take a look at what others are doing. Local nurseries. They sell individual plants, but are they selling the curated established arrangement with the care tag and branding? Probably not. That's your advantage. Big stores. They might sell cheap pots, but the quality of the soil and plants is usually low. Your competitive edge is superior quality and expert arrangement. Phase 2, growing the goods. This is the hands-on part. Quality control here is everything, as it supports your premium price point. 2.1, get the right supplies. Don't skimp on the basics. The container and soil are what keep the herbs alive. And containers, like Gator, they must have excellent drainage. No matter how pretty a pot is, if it holds water, the roots will rot. And terracotta is great, but remember, customers will need to water it more often. And glazed ceramic often looks the most premium. Make sure the container is changed large enough for the adult plants you're putting in. Soil. Use a high-quality sterile potting mix that drains well. Mix in a little slow-release organic food so the herbs stay happy for the first couple of months without the customer having to worry about feeding them right away. 2.2, picking and planting your herbs. You need strong, established plants right from the start. Skip the seeds. Source strong plants. Buy healthy, larger seedlings or plugs from a wholesale grower. This is key to cutting down the establishment period. Group wisely companion planting. This is non-negotiable for success. The thirsty group, basil, parsley, cilantro, and mint, all love lots of sun and consistent water. Put these together. The drought group, rosemary, thyme, oregano, and sage, are Mediterranean herbs. They hate wet feet and need the soil to dry out between waterings. Never mix the thirsty group with the drought group. This is the most important lesson you can give your customers on the care card. Not beats 2.3, cultivation and establishment. This is where you earn the established title. That's the waiting game. After you pot the seedlings up, they need about 4 to 6 weeks to settle in, grow robust root systems, and produce enough lush foliage to look legitimately ready to harvest. Don't rush
The care card is one of the most important parts of your product.
Grooming. Pinch back herbs like basil and mint to make them bushy and prevent them from getting leggy. This improves the visual appeal and the harvesting potential. Phase 3, making it look premium. A great product needs great presentation and easy to understand instructions. 3.1, the care card is your MVP. The care card is one of the most important parts of your product. It ensures customer success, which leads to repeat business. Branding. Choose a brand name that sounds fresh and trustworthy, like the Chef's Herb Co. Vital instructions. Keep the care card simple. Focus on the 2 big killers. Watering. Water only when the top inch of soil is dry. Harvesting. This is crucial. Snip often. Always harvest by pinching the stem just above a pair of leaves. This encourages the plant to grow bushy, not tall and scraggly. This is how you empower the customer to keep their plant alive. 3.2, don't undersell yourself. Pricing. You're selling a premium finished product, not raw materials. Price accordingly. Calculate costs. Figure out the cost of the pot plus soil, plus plants, plus your labor. Premium markup. Mark it up significantly. Maybe 2.5 to 3 times your cost. Customers are paying extra for the convenience of a ready-to-use, well-designed garden. Offer tiers. Have a small, affordable sampler pot and a larger, high-margin, ultimate gourmet pot. 3.3, safe travel. How will you get these full pots to your customers without making a mess? Transport solution. If you're delivering or shipping, you need a sturdy solution. A square box with cardboard inserts that keeps the pot from tipping is a good start. Soil security. Lay a light layer of decorative moss or wood chips on the soil surface. This mulch helps keep the soil contained during transport if the pot jostles. Phase 4, getting the word out time to market your beautiful creations. 4.1, where to sell, go where your foodie customers are. Farmers markets, perfect for direct sales. Customers can smell and touch the freshness. Online, Etsy. Great for showing off your curated themes and handling orders. Offer local delivery or pickup. Wholesale partners. Approach local artisan food shops, high-end butchers, or independent kitchen stores. Your product complements what they sell. 4.2, marketing hooks. Focus your messaging on the problem you solve. Visuals. Take bright, professional photos. Show the herb gardens on a sunny kitchen windowsill next to a cutting board and a chef's knife. Show them in use. The wilted basil trap. Talk about the pain point. Stop wasting money on bunches of herbs that wilt in 2 days. Your solution is a living, continuous supply. Expert status. Offer a quick workshop, even an Instagram Live called The 5 Secrets to Perpetual Herb Harvesting. This builds trust and positions you as the expert. 4.3, building loyalty. Make it easy for customers to keep buying from you. Refill Charge Seasonal Refresh program. Offer a service where customers bring their old pots back in the fall. You'll take out the summer plants like basil and put in a fresh new winter collection like chives, mint, and cilantro for a discounted refill price. This encourages continuous engagement. Content marketing. Share simple recipes that use your herbs. If they bought the Thai garden, share a recipe for pad Thai. It's a continuous, gentle reminder to use their purchase. This is a rock-solid business plan. You're ready to get planting.